Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight dataset. In this dataset we're covering the Greater London Authority housing-led population projections. So let's get started. We have just data based on the 2020 population figures, 14 million rows of data across 8 tables, and here's the tables here. So I've queried each of them so we can have a quick look. Let's start at the top. Housing-led population projections identify capacity scenario and assumed development. So all the tables, they have a projection year going all the way up to 2041 based on the 2020 population figures. Next one is the identified capacity scenario components of change by MSOA, and you can see the different measures there. Then we've got identified capacity scenario components of change with these measures. Identified capacity scenario components of change by ward, and you've got these measures as well. By sex and gender and MSOA, so you can see the sort of data we've got there. And age goes up to 90. Then we have sex and gender and ward, that's that one. And housing stock, there we go. And finally London Borough age, sex and year. So that's that. Ask us for a free trial so you can properly delve into that data. Thanks.